How to fix TickTick for Mac not uninstalling. Here's an example shell script, beta ver, to uninstall TickTick for Mac, #bin/bash #check if TickTick is installed if d/application/TickTick.app, then echo TickTick is not installed on this Mac. Exit 05 #quit the application if it is running osascript quit app TickTick #remove the application and its preferences echo uninstalling TickTick. rmrf/application/TickTick.app rmrf/library/container/com.TickTick.task.mac/data/library/application support/TickTick rmrf/library/container/com.TickTick.task.mac/data/library/preferences/com.TickTick.task.mac.plist. Echo TickTick has been uninstalled. Int, save the above code in a file with a.sh extension and make the file executable using the command mod plus x script name.sh. Then, run the script using the command /script name.sh in the terminal. Note that you may need to modify the script if the installation directory or file names have changed. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.